racers, Alec here at Performance Bodies. Spring steel is the thing of the past. What I have here in front of me is all of our plastic body strap kits from MD3. So we've had these 36-inch, 300 thousandths pieces in stock for quite a while. You can see, just bend them, they kick back, great piece. They replace that spring steel anywhere you need it on the car. But now, MD3 has came out with premium plastic strapping, a little bit longer. These measure out to 49 inches versus your 36, so you have a little bit more room to work with. If you need to cut those to 2-foot chunks, you only need, one of them to get that done versus a 36. So you can see, guys, these are a little bit different plastics. So when I bend these, I can hold it for quite a while, and I let go, and that kicks exactly straight back. So you have your 300 thousandths as well as a little bit thicker, your 3/8 or 375 thousandths. And look at this one, I gotta hold it even more, don't want to take the camera out. You can see those just kick right back. So we sell them in individual, and then the 36-inch we sell in an 8-pack, and in the 49-inch pieces it's a 6-pack. So you can see all these on our website, performancebodies.com, or give us a call, 1-800-RACING1, and we'll get you fixed in.